Okay, so let me start. I just want someone to help me. So right now, hey Prakash, can you help me? I just want to open the Eclipse and create a project, package, and then a class. Can you help me on that?
Yes, double click on the Eclipse.
Awesome, super. Okay, yes.
Yeah, browse and save it in drive or whatever.
Yes, as of now, I'll create a new one. So I'll go to the D drive. So new Eclipse, mostly laptop, I'll just go. Then here I'll just create a new one.
Yeah, my Eclipse or any other name which suits.
Yeah, my Eclipse workspace, I'll just give. Yes,
Okay.
yes. This is mostly laptop, my Eclipse workspace. Yes. Here.
Yeah, this is the new one.
Sure. I'll click on OK.
Yes.
So let it load. So I'll just delete the welcome screen. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now Prakash. Okay. Hey, thanks Prakash. Thank you. So I'll just. Okay. Yeah. Can you create me a project? Can you tell me? I want you to create a project.
Yeah. Go to File.
Go to File.
Yeah. New project.
Yes. Project.
Yes. And then Java project.
Yes. I can see a Java project here. Otherwise, I can see in the Java folder Java project.
Yes.
Yes.
Next.
Then my project name, I'll just give first project. Then
yeah, use exception environment check for the version.
Yeah.
1.7 plus or greater.
Yes, correct. 1.7 or greater than that. Right now, I'll just go with 1.7. Click on finish.
That's
Yes. So once I click on it, right now a new workspace will be having the Java EE environment. I'm going to make it to Java. So it's because I changed the version over there to 1.7. According to the Java will come now. Yes. Okay. So the small changes in UI will come. Hey, thanks, Prakash.
Can you please repeat the last step? What the change?
Nothing. That is by default it will be with Java EE.
Okay.
So now when I changed it to 1.7, that version will change. So according to that, the Java UI will come for me. Core Java. That is right now I'm going to work on with core JavaScripts. This is
So
advanced level Java EE.
Do we need to manually change?
And so when you change that, when you're creating the project, you're selecting it as actually Java SE 1.7 now.
Yes.
When you change, it will automatically come this.
Automatically. Okay, perfect. Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, thanks, Prakash. So now, Pushpanjali, can you create me? I have created the project. I just want you to create the package, and then what is it? And then after that, I want to create a class. Can you create me? Hello, hey Pushpanjali, you there? Okay, so I'll just go with the other person. Ashla, can you create me a package and then a class?
First, you have to click on the first project.
Yes, correct.
Then you find the source SRC.
Yes.
Right click on that.
Okay.
When you right click, you will find new. In new package, you have to select.
Yes, correct. Right click, new package. Yes.
Yeah, and over there you just have to give the package name like
Okay, so I'll just give first back.
The first letter has to be a small letter.
Awesome. Yes, correct. That is package name always should start with small letters. Yes, correct. Yes. So then
click on finish.
Yes.
Your package is created.
Okay.
Then to create a class, right click on the package.
Okay.
After that, in that click on class.
Okay.
New
Yes.
class. Over here, the class name, like my class.
Yes, my
Change
class.
it to D.
So if I give here a small letter,
it will give you a warning.
Correct. So it should be.
It's not mandatory that you have to change it to
Super. Yes.
capital letter.
Correct. It's a standard way of practicing it, but it's not mandatory for me.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Modifier, change it to default.
Yes.
And then method stub, it should be public static void main.
Okay. In case if I don't click on the main function, I'll click on finish.
Finish.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, thanks, Ashula. Thank you so much. So now, Virendra, can you tell me, right now I don't have my main function, how I can get my main function?
We can
yeah.
type it or we can put the shortcut.
So what is the shortcut for that?
Shortcut is like we can put like control space and enter button.
What is the keyword I need to write for it?
Keyword we need to write main.
M-A-I-N. And
then control space and enter button.
Enter button. That's it. So this will give me the main function here. Okay, now. So now I want to increase the font size. Can you tell me how I can increase the font size?
We need to go to Windows.
Okay, I need to go to Window.
And then Preferences.
Okay.
Then we need to go to
Type font.
Type font.
Yes.
Then colors and font.
Yes.
Then text font.
Correct. Yeah, text font. Edit. Select.
And then what?
Yes. So right now I'll go with 30. Yeah. Apply. Yes. This is okay. Good. Hey, thank you. Thanks, Virendra. So now, Dipya, I just want to print hello world. Can you tell me how I can print hello world?
We can use that function system out printer.
Superb. What is the shortcut to get that?
Sorry, I don't remember that.
Okay, cool. No worries. Yes, Y, yes, O. Then control space.
Okay.
Okay, so if I want the hello world, how we can write it?
We can put it in double strings.
Yes, correct. It should be inside a double quotes. Hello world. Hello world. Yes, correct. So if I want to run the program, what is the shortcut for it?
You can shortcut will be there's a run button on the top.
Yes, correct. This is one way.
Other ways you can right click on the program and select run as Java application.
That's it. These are the two ways to execute the program. Yeah, cool. Hey, thank you. Thanks, Divya. Okay, so next now, Balaji. Yeah. Hello. Hey, hi, Balaji. Can you tell me how I can declare a variable? I want to declare a variable name called I.
We have to give int integer.
Yes, int
I
space I. Yeah, this is
semicolon.
Yes, this is declaration. And then I want to initialize a value called 20 for it. Can you tell me how I can initialize a value 20 for that?
I equal to 24.
I is equal to
20.
20. This is Initial line. Session. Yes, correct. So if I want to print the value of the variable, how I can do that?
Let's say SYSO.
SYSO.
Control space.
Yes.
And then that I.
Yes, I want to print I. So if I want to right click run as Java application, prints me 20. Clear? Yes. If I give as SYSO in double quotes I. So now can you tell me what will be the output for this one, Balaji?
It will print I.
Yes, correct. Because any information that comes in double quotes will be treated as a string there. That's it. Clear? Okay. Good. Thanks, Balaji. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay. So still now, as what are the things we have seen? Anyone has any questions? Anyone has any questions, guys? Any questions for anyone? Okay, cool, super. So what will be the impact? That is actually what it's like. It's going to print the information, what informations we have in double quotes that will be treated as a string and print the same value there. That's what it's going to do. Okay, that's the only thing. It's going to print the same information as what we have there. That's the only thing. Clear, guys? Okay, so now next I'll go to the next level. So new class, print usage I'll give. So now I'm just going to give the difference between the usage of print. SYSO Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So when I print it, right click, run as Java application. So what's going to happen means when I give print ln, it's going to type Monday. Because of that ln, it will move the cursor to the next line. Then after that again it will print Tuesday. Then we have print ln. Now it will move the cursor to the next line. Then again Wednesday. Then move the cursor to the next line. The same thing now. Yes, right. So dash. Now I'll copy the same information. Now I'll print. Here instead of print ln, I'm going to print. I'm going to use only print alone. That is, I'm removing a line ln. Okay. Now when I run it, see, it's going to print in the same line. That is, when I use print ln, it moves the cursor to the next line. If I don't use only print, means it prints the information and keeps the cursor there. Tuesday keeps the cursor there. Wednesday and keeps the cursor there. That's how it will do. Okay. Always it's type the information and keeps the cursor there. That's the difference between print ln and print. Clear? Everyone understood this part? I just any questions, guys? I just want everyone to print in the chat window as yes if you've understood this concept. I just want from everyone. Cool, super, good guys. Okay, so now next we'll go to the next one. I'll open a new Eclipse. Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to.
Murli,
I have a question here. Like when
Yes.
this workspace window comes, and if I select use this as default and do not ask again, okay,
Sorry,
and I
sorry.
go on. Yeah, I'm saying when we are launching the Eclipse, then it's
Okay.
asking for the workspace, right? So if somehow I select this, use this as default and do not ask again option and click on OK. So when next time I'm launching the Eclipse, this will not display the workspace location, right?
That is already workspace is created, so it will not create a new one.
Yeah. So now if like say I want to create a new workspace, then so how can I change it?
That time you have to use a different location. Right now,
But this window doesn't come after that now because I've selected
you
this
would have
part.
selected this part.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so you want a different information, na? So that time, what you do, you just normally open that specific page.
Mhm.
Okay, so that time go to file, go to new, then here you can set, just a second, I'll have an option here. Space total, you can create a new one. We can import a project, we can do, then, okay, I'll just confirm you. I'll just I've done this. Suddenly I'm not getting right now. Okay, so we can again get that information. Okay, so I'll just give you the information by tomorrow. I just need to have a look on it. So switch workspace is there. And yeah, here you can just do it. Okay, you can create a new one. Browse and then create a new one. So what you have to do means go to file, switch workspace, then select other. Okay, then here you create a new one.
So it will take the existing files to that workspace, or it will create
No,
that.
it creates a new one. It creates a
It
new one.
creates a new
Browse
one.
it and then create a new folder so that it
Okay.
creates a new one.
Okay.
Clear now?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Hello, Murli.
Hello. Yes.
Murli, I have a doubt.
Yes.
We are
Tell me.
using this Kepler version, right?
Correct.
So how
Correct.
different is this from the other versions? Like, for example,
It's
Neon.
if frankly to say, from our side, the UI difference is what we are going to see. We are not going to use the lot of informations from there because advanced level they use it. But from our side, actually, it's like we are going to use the UI level. The changes is going to happen. Apart from that, nothing is there.
Okay. So, yeah, I had this Neon version on my system previously.
Okay.
When I'm creating this class file after the package, it doesn't show me the default option when I'm creating the package. Sorry, a class.
Default option, it's not getting.
Yeah, modifier. There is
Okay.
public.
Yeah. Correct. In the Neon new version, yes, correct. They have removed the default. That time you can just go with the public itself. What is the only changes will come means, so right now, if you see, if you select public, okay, your class is then a year before that there will be a keyword called public. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, nothing apart from that. There is one extra keyword is going to come. Apart from that, nothing.
Instead of default, there is package mentioned in that.
Okay, and no need to select package. Select the public and then you can go.
Just select public. If not required, I can remove that.
Correct. After that also you can remove this keyword if you don't want. Okay, no? You can have this one. If you have a public or not, it's there. Nothing is going to happen for you. I will explain you about the what is the usage of the public keyword, all those things later class. Okay, in the package access modifier class. Right now, why I don't want to discuss that means it will. Actually, it's like a very simple topic, but right now, if I say, you will feel it a little bit complicated. Okay. So once we see a little bit information when we come, that time you guys will feel easier.
Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cool. Can Murli, can we get output in console window for weekdays separated by comma? Yes. So there is a question from Pushpanjali. She want it to be displayed like this. So what is her intention means? She want to display Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday. Yes, we can do. So for this, what I can do means two options. So then here I can just give comma. Okay, this is one way. Instead of print, and then I'm going to give print because I don't want it to move to the next line. Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday. I want a space also means. So space I can give like this. That's it. Clear, Pushpanjali? That was your doubt, no? Understood? Okay, yeah. So now I'll go to the next thing. Here I'm going to talk to you about string concatenation now. So it's a simple topic, string concatenation, but actually it's a very important topic when you come to Java level or Selenium level. It's so important. So we're going to see that. So what is the string concatenation means? Okay, so right now, so this is what, okay. So any information that we are going to write as a number, okay, without a double quotes will be treated as a number. Okay, 100, if I type it, it's a number. So I'm going to do like this. String concatenation. I'll make it as public only as of now. Allow my main function. Okay, I'll do finish. If I want the main function, main control space, enter. Okay, then I want to just do like this. So, okay, 100 plus 200. Both the things are numbers. So now what will happen? My output, right click, run as Java application. That gives me 300 because both the things are number. When we are going to add it, that gives me 300. Okay, a number to number, when it's going to add, that will give me actually what? 300. The same thing if I'm going to give S by SO 100 plus 200. Now what will happen? This one, both the things are string. Now what will happen? It will be concatenated. This process is called as concatenation. Okay, concatenation. Anything that is going to be added to a string will be concatenated. That's the thing. Okay, anything that is going to be added to a string will be always concatenated. Clear, guys? Same thing. So 100 plus 200. This also, when I run it, it will be concatenated because anything will be added to a string will be also concatenated only. Anything that we are going to add to a string will be also concatenated only for us. Okay, same thing if I'm going to have it like this, SY, SO, 100 plus 200. What is the output for that? That is also 100, 200 only. Okay. Anyone has any questions on this part right now, what I explained to you? In concatenation process, anyone has any questions? Because based on this, I'm going to, you guys are going to execute this output. Okay. Anyone has any questions on this?
I'm able to follow all the system.out print line, but the public class string concatenation, just should I remember that it's defined as string concatenation, or you will explain later how to define the classes?
That is, sorry, can you come again, Prakash?
The first part, public class string concatenation, just I should remember this for timing. Just you are defining as a
Nothing. The thing is, if I select a radio button called public there, that time I'll be getting this public keyword. Otherwise, I'll be getting this class. Then what is the class name I given? That's what, because actually someone told na, they are not having the default. They're not having the default radio button. So that time they usually go with public. So that time they will be having this keyword. So there is, because of that, nothing changes is going to happen in the program level. So you don't need to remember anything, those things here.
All right.
Okay, now? Okay, good. So now I'll come here and then we'll execute this output so that you will be executing this output. So this, because you guys are going to help me to get that output. So 100 plus 200. So what is that? It's going to give me. Okay, we will see. So now, Nikita, you're not having a mic. Okay. Hello. Hey, Anil, you're there? Hello. Hello. Hey, hi, Anil. Pushpanjali, you're there? Hello. Hey, hi, Pushpanjali. Can you tell me the output for the first three?
Yeah, the first output is 300.
Yes, correct. Why is 300?
Why? Because it is not coming in between the strings, so it will just calculate. I mean, the count of the numbers.
Because both the things are numbers, so
Yeah.
that's why it gives me 300. Correct.
And this is the string concatenation as it is between the double quotes. It will give us the output as hello world.
Correct. So both the things are string. So anything that is be added to a string will be also a string only. So hello world.
The third one is hello 100.
Correct.
As the one is a string, so any other number will be added will be act as a string only.
Correct. So anything that has been added to a string also will be a string only. So hello and then 100 will be inside a string. Clear? Yeah. Hey, thanks, Pushpan. Superb.
Yeah. Okay.
Lakshmi Narayan, you're there?
Yes.
Yeah, hi Lakshmi. Can you execute me the next two?
Yeah, sure. This will be the same 100, 200 because of string initial stages.
Correct. So
correct.
any one information, if it's a string, for sure the rest also will be concatenated and then it will be a string.
Correct.
Yes. The next one?
And the next also will be the same 100, 200.
No. Can you tell?
200, 100.
Yes. 200, 100. Yes.
This will be concatenated. Yes.
Awesome. Super. So the next one?
Next one will be 500, 300, 100.
So here, what will happen? 100 plus 300 plus 500. So always in programming, always execution will start from the left hand side to right hand side.
Left to right. Okay.
Yeah. So left hand side is what first?
100, then 300, then 500.
So first, actually, what will happen? 100 plus 300 will be executed.
Okay.
So that output will be what?
Output will be 400.
Yes, correct.
400, 500.
So finally, it changes a string. 400 plus 500, that will become as a string for us. Okay, so 400,
400, 500.
Yes, that's it. Okay, yeah. Hey, thanks, man. Thank you so much. So now next, Ishweta, can you execute for the next one?
100, 500.
Correct. So execution always it will start from the left hand side to right hand side. Correct?
Yes.
So what is there first? 100 is a string.
100.
Then?
And then 200 plus 300, 500. 100,
So
500.
100 plus 200, first it will be executed. So what will happen right now? That's a string, correct?
Okay.
So it will be concatenated. So 100, 200. Clear?
Okay.
Then plus 300. So now what will happen?
100, 200, 300.
Yes, correct. Because now any one information is a string, the next also will be a string only. Because
Okay.
the concatenation only is going to happen. So that's why.
Okay. Okay.
Understood? Clear guys for everyone? Everyone understood this concept? I just want everyone to ping in the chat windows, yes, if you have understood it. Cool. I'm very sorry, actually, most of the times I'm asking you to ping in chat windows, yes. So it's less to double confirm that if you have any questions. So once again, I'll repeat it. That's the only thing. Okay, super. Cool, guys. So now, Ramya, you're there? Hello. Hey, hi, Ramya. You're there? Okay. Santosh, you're there? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Hey, hi, Santosh. Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now, here I have variables here. String x is equal to hello, y is equal to word, z is equal to 100, which is a string. Then these three are string variables. Then two integer variables, that is actually numbers, int a and int b, 100 and 200. Okay. So now can you tell me x plus y, what will be the output?
So both x and y are string values. So it would be like hello world.
Yes, correct. Hello world. Yes. The next one.
So both are numbers. So 100 plus 200, 300.
Yes, super. Yes. The next one.
X plus a. So one is string, one is like number.
Yeah.
So it would be like x is so it will be like string only. Hello.
Hello.
100. Hello 100.
100. Yes. Okay, thanks, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks, Santosh. So now next, Saurian, can you execute me the next three?
Yeah. X is string, Y is string, so it will be hello world.
Yes. Hello world.
Hello world.
Yes.
100, 200.
Correct. So hello world. Then why it's coming actually 100 and 200? Can you tell me?
Because X and Y, finally we got a string hello world.
Yes,
Then
correct.
plus A is integer, but operation with integer it will be a string.
Correct.
So then finally hello world 100 plus 200. So hello world 100, 200.
Correct. Because execution always starts from the left hand side to the right hand side. Correct.
Yeah.
So hello world and then plus 100 will become as hello world 100. Then plus again 200. So now it will be hello world.
Hello world 100, 200.
Yes, correct. So hello world 100, 200. That's it. Clear? Yes. Super. Yeah. The next one.
Yeah, the next one will be A plus B is it's 300.
Correct. Left hand side to right hand side. So 100 plus 200, it will be
300.
300.
Then hello.
Yes. So plus we have hello. Plus we have
Plus world.
So that will be
300 hello world.
So 300 hello world. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Hey, thanks for coming. Thanks for
Yeah.
So actually, who is this? 510-502-8838. Who is this? Hello.
Nikita.
Sorry, who is this? Nikita.
This is Nikita Murli.
Hey, hi, Nikita. Nikita, can you execute me the next three?
Yeah. x plus a plus y plus b. X is a string, so and a is an integer, so it will print hello 100.
Yes, hello. Then a is what? Number 100.
Number, yeah. Then world
World
200.
correct. Hello 100, world 200. Yes, super. Yes, the next one.
Yeah. X plus a is hello 100.
Yes, correct. Hello 100.
100, 200.
Correct. It will be a concatenation only because
It will be considered as a string, so it will print 200
yes,
and world.
world. That's it. Yes, the next one.
100 hello.
Yes. So
100 hello 200.
yes, correct. A plus x plus y plus b. So a is what?
Yeah, so 100
100.
plus x is hello.
Hello.
World, y is world.
Yes, world.
And b is 200. Yeah.
200. Awesome. Super. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, thanks, Nikita. So next, Divya, can you execute with the next two?
Yeah, so it will be 100.
100.
Hello.
Yes, hello. So that will
300.
become as a string. Yes, 100. Hello. 200.
Then world.
Yes, that's it. Yes, correct. Next.
Next, it will be hello.
Correct. So right now here also left hand side to right hand side, but the only thing is what means that a plus b I'm giving it in as parenthesis. So now what might be? So it is like this. So hello plus 100 plus 200 plus world. That's what we have there. Okay. So now, yes. So what will be the output?
Hello 300 world.
Correct. So hello, and then 100 plus 200. How that becomes as 300? Because in parentheses we have it separately. Means so that will take the priority for us. So that will give me 300. Hello 300, and then world. Clear for everyone? Any questions for anyone? Clear? Guys, I just want again to print me in the chat window. So anyone has any questions on understanding any step? Everyone understood this concept? I want from everyone, guys. Okay, cool. Pushpanjali, you understood? Cool, yes. Nikita, you understood, okay? Okay, cool. Nice, guys. So now we have seen about the string concatenation. The next step, variables, we will see a little bit of small concept here. We are going to see about the you want the execution of this parenthesis. Just a second. I have not tried that part. So you're saying 100 plus 200. This is what you're asking. I have not tried this. I'm not sure whether this is applicable. Have you seen anywhere? Have you seen anywhere, Ramya? Hey Ramya, have you seen anywhere using or used of this one? I'm not sure. I have not seen this. I have not utilized still now like this. Seen anywhere like this. So 100 plus 200 is throwing me an error. Okay, let me check on this because I'm not sure. I have not utilized once also. I have not seen also. This is the order. Okay, just a second. I have not seen. Just a second. I'm just checking it. like this. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Ramya. I'm not seeing. I'll just check it over there. In case if I get it over there, I'll just let you know. Because I'm not seeing once also, and then I not used it like this. Only parenthesis is what I'll use. I'll check it in case if I get any information on that. I'll just forward to you guys for sure. Okay. Yeah. Good. So now I'm going to tell you about variables. I'm just going to give us heads up. So tomorrow we'll see about that part. So right now we have two types of variables available. One is a global variable. Another one we have local variable. These are the two things we have. One is global, another one is local. Okay, so we're going to see the usage of both the things. So this is my class ABC. Okay, and then always a class will have a main function. Public static void main string arguments. We have the main function. Okay, so from my side, any variables that is declared inside a function. Okay, declared means what? We should have that integer type. Any variables that has been declared inside a function will be called as a local variable. You can declare or you can declare and initialize. Okay, any variable that has been declared inside the function will be called as a local variable. Any variables that has been declared outside the function will be called as a global variable. Any variable that has been declared outside the function. So for example, integer x is equal to 10, integer y is equal to 20. Okay, so any variable that is declared outside the function will be called as a global variable. So global variables always will have a keyword. Okay, two things. There are two types of variable. One is a static, another one is a non-static. Okay, I'll tell you the difference between static and non-static, all those things tomorrow. I'm just giving a heads up to you all as what is that actually what? Yeah. So we have static, another one is non-static. Static variables will have a keyword called static. Non-static variables will not have any keyword like this. That's what. Okay. Anyone has any questions on this? Okay. So I'll just come here and then I'll do it one more time.
Murli, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
So you said like the variable which is declared inside the function. Function
Yes.
could be and function or other function also.
Yeah, any function. Right now I have not gone to still the functions topic. So right now any variable that has been declared inside a function will be declared as a local variable. Okay.
And I have one more doubt here in the public static void main.
Yes.
What do you mean about all this string and then bracket and then ARGs? Yes.
Okay, so this concept is the arrays. Okay, right now I just don't want to say more about that. Okay, so array is another type of variable. Okay, what that means? Variable will have only one memory location. Arrays will have multiple memory location. Okay, so the function can have an argument. Guys, actually, it's actually don't need to worry about this thing. The topic which I'm going to explain, you will understand it very easily when I come to it. Okay, right now, if you're not understanding, also don't think that actually there are a lot of things actually I'm new to it. How I'm understanding, so simple. Okay, so what is this concept here means? A function can be of two things. One is a default function, another one is a overloaded function. That is, we'll be calling it as a method overloading. That is, a function will have an arguments. Based on the arguments, when I can call the functions here. So here right now, what does it means? This main function is accepting the string arguments here as my input. Okay, when I want to call this main function, here it will accept string arguments here, which is of array type. That's what here. Okay, this is the syntax of it. So the main function, when it want to run, this is the syntax of it. Okay, so it's a main is an executable function. That is, no one need to call it. By default, actually, what the main will be executed. Okay, so that's the syntax of it. Yes.
What I understood, like string is a class, right?
Yes.
And this is a built-in function in the Java, or what is this?
Yes, correct. It's a built-in function over there. Okay, that is, we are not going to write it. It's a built-in function here. If we write this function like this, then my JVM will know that actually this is an executable function. That is actually the user will not call it. I need to call it by default and then execute it.
Okay.
That's it. Clear?
The function I know, like this is built-in function. What I was understanding the argument part, like parameter part.
Yes, yes.
So this
actually, Virender, right now this is not the right time to discuss. Why means it's like we are there in the stage 1. Okay, so these things comes and actually in the later part, because why means if I explain these things, others will feel it more complicated, because I just want to make it actually the class as a very easier and simpler mode. So that's the only thing. I can just tell you in offline separately also, because why means I don't want others to feel it's complicated. Okay, it's a so simple topic, but right now this time actually what they feel it complicated, because we are seeing variables, not the functions. Okay, when we come to the functions, I'll explain this part. So you also will understand that actually what is the string arguments. Clear now?
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay. So right now variables is of two types. Okay, any variable that has been declared outside the functions will be called as a global variables. Okay, any variable that has been declared inside the functions will be called as a local variables. Okay, so for example, if I have integer j is equal to 100. Okay, so any variable that has been declared or declared and initialized will be called as a local variables. Any variable that has been declared outside the function, integer a is equal to 100, integer b is equal to 200. I told you global variables, again it's of two types. Okay, one is static, another one is non-static variables. These are the two things. One is static, another one is non-static. So static variables will have a keyword called static. Okay, so this is static variable. Then this is non-static variable. Okay, static, and this one is non-static variable. Okay, so how to utilize it, I'll just show you easily. So tomorrow we are going to discuss in a detailed manner. Okay, this is zone. So this integer I, so I can just directly, any local variables can be utilized, actually what means as like the variable name itself. So right now we are not able to utilize. Why means I need to initialize the local variables always. So these things we'll see tomorrow, why we need to always initialize local variables, all those things. Okay. Always local variables can be directly utilized with the help of the variable name. So ing. Same thing if it's a static and the non-static variables. How we can access means static variables can be accessed with help of the class name. Variable types is a class name. Variable types dot. When I give, can you see? I have the variable name called A here, which is showing it as yes in the red color. That means static variable. Okay. So what will happen? I can access a static variable with this. Understood? Variable types A. Then next, non-static variables, I need to create an object. How to create an object means it's so simple. So I need to give new and then the class name with parentheses. This will help me to create the object. This step will help me to create the object here. Now I have created the object. I need to give a name for it. So what is the name is I'll just give obj1 is equal to new variable types. Then variables deals with data types, objects deals with classes. So variables, we give the data types as a reference here. So for objects, classes is the reference. Variable types obj1 equal to new abc. So new variable types. So now, okay, what is going to do means it's so simple here. So abc is my class here. So when I give integer y equal to 20, what's going to happen here? I told you. So I'll keep here y equal to 20 when I give. What will happen right now for me? It creates me a memory location like this. Then y will be the memory location name. That integer will act as a reference to the memory location, says load only the integer values alone. That is the range of this integer. That is actually what? Only the values which is there in between the data type range of integer. That alone you should allow. So it will check whether the 20 is in that part. Yes. Then only it will allow this one. Clear? So it will check whether actually the 20 is there in between the range of the integer data type. Yes, that means only it will allow me to load the values. Same thing, what this actually what objects will do means. Okay, so I'm going to give here ABC obj1 equal to new ABC. When I give it like this, now new ABC, what this will do. Okay, so I'll just copy this. So new ABC, what it will do means it will help me to create the object. Okay, new ABC will help me to create the object. Then obj1 will be the object name. obj1 will be the object name. Then here ABC is a class name that will act as a reference, says to the memory location load only ABC class members alone. Load only the global members of ABC class alone. What are the global members we have here? The static and then this non-static. Both the things are the global members here. Correct? So both the things will be loaded inside the memory location. These are the two global members inside the ABC class. So those things will be loaded. It might be a static or it might be a non-static. Both will be loaded. Clear? Any questions so far for anyone? Everyone understood now? Okay.
So Murli, the static or non-static is applicable only for the global variables, or local variables can also be static and non-static?
That is only global variables only can be static and non-static. Local variables of only one type, local variable. There is no static and non-static inside the local variables.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
so what is the basic difference between static and non-static?
So static variables, it's actually always you should refer with a keyword with the class name. Okay, and then with the help of object name. Directly with the help of the variable name also you can access. Non-static variables only with the help of the object name alone you can access. You cannot access the non-static variables in any part. Always you should refer the non-static variables only with the help of the objects only. But static variables directly with class name, even with the variable name, even actually if they create an object through object also we can access. Anywhere we can access. That's the difference.
What about in terms of memory location? Like
that part tomorrow because if I explain that will be an half-an-hour class. So tomorrow I'm going to explain. Today I told you it's just an heads up. So tomorrow is the time I'm going to explain you about the memory location concept so that you will understand it in a very detailed, clear manner.
Okay.
Okay, no? It's just an heads up to you. So tomorrow it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, Divya?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. So now, if you come here, yes, to me.
So you said like only the global variables can be static or non-static, right?
Correct. Yes.
So why the local variables cannot be static?
Local is all that is static and non-static deals with actually what global. Okay, that memory location concept when it comes, you will come to know how and where it will be loaded. Local variables always see if I have a keyword here called static, it will throw me an error because static is not allowed inside the functions. Okay, because it's a local. Local cannot be static or non-static. It's a local is always a local. Clear? Okay. So now, if I want to access the non-static members, I can just give sysum obj1 dot. Now can you see there is a variable called b I can access, which is of non-static. Same thing I told you, static variables can also be again accessed with help of object name also, obj1 dot. Then can you see a? So you can access the non-static variables through object name also. Then also I can access them only with the variable name also. But the same thing, I cannot access the non-static variables b is there, na? I'll just give b. It will throw me an error. Clear? I cannot access the non-static variables like this with as a variable name. Clear? Anyone has any questions, guys? I cannot access the non-static variables with the help of the only the variable name, or also I cannot access the non-static variables with the help of the class name. Variable types dot. See, b is not there. If I give b, it will throw me an error. I cannot access this. It's asking me change the modifier to static. Clear for everyone? Now I'll run this, right click, run as job application. See, right now. So for me, I, first it's going to print me I. What is the value of I? It's 50. What is the value of J? That is 100. 1500. Variable types dot, okay, so A value, I'll just make it as 10 as of now, so it'll be easy to confirm. Okay, first 50 and 100 for I and J. Then variable types dot A. So what is the A variable? That is 10. 10 will be printed. Then I'm creating an object for the class so that I can access the non-static variables. Then obj1.b. What is the b value? It's 20. So 20 is printed. Then obj1.a. So in the obj1, what is the a value right now? That is because I told you in the object, static and non-static, both all the global members will be loaded. So I can access the a also with the help of the object name. So obj1.a, that will be 10. Only with the help of the variable name also I can access the static members. 10. Static members can be accessed in 3 different ways. One with directly variable name, with object name, and also with the help of the class name. The best practice always you have to access the static variables with the help of class name only. That's a proper way of utilizing it. Okay. Anyone has any question, guys? I know that actually what this object concept, it will be little bit actually right now you guys might feel confusing, but no worries. Tomorrow you will understand it in a detailed manner when I come to the memory allocation part. But everyone understood how to access the local variable and then the static variables with the help of a class name. Can I expect from everyone from the chat windows? Yes, if you have understood it.
Sir, can you please repeat the last step once time?
This part?
No, in the diagram, how to create the non-static object. Yeah, that's the ABC object 1 is equal to new ABC.
That is how to create an object, correct? No?
Yes.
So, when I give it as ABC, obj1 equal to new ABC. When I give like this, so first new ABC, what is going to do? It's going to create me an object. That is going to create me a memory location. Okay, then after that, what is the memory location name here is obj1. obj1 is the memory location name. Then this ABC, what this ABC will do is acts as a reference. Tell to the memory location, load only ABC class members alone. Okay, load only the ABC class members alone. That is global members of ABC class. What are the global members we have here? These are the global members. Static int x is equal to 10, int y equal to 20. So these two things will be loaded here.
But static we can already access. I thought we should define only non-static y is equal to.
Object level, even though static and non-static members will be loaded. That's why I told you, static members alone you can access in 3 different ways. One with help of a reference of a class name, one with reference of object name, the another one directly with help of the variable name also.
Okay.
Clear now? Any questions so far?
No. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Anyone has any questions, guys? For anyone? Okay, cool. Okay, thanks, guys. So with this, actually, what today the demo session is been completed.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, Murli. You have just opened. I mean, there are two parameters open and. Yeah, just I'm cleared now.
Okay,
Clear.
your place. Sorry, I just.
Yeah, I clear.
Okay. Clear now? No problem, no?
Here, if you. No. Yeah, I'm clear right now.
Okay, cool. Okay, no worries. Okay. Okay, guys. So with this, actually, what our demo session is completed. Okay, so I'll just actually forward my account details of them. If you're interested, actually, what you can just add my account details, and then you can start to pay the fees over there. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We'll meet by tomorrow.
Same time. Tomorrow regular class, right? Same time, right?
Yeah, same 9 p.m. We have the session. It's like the continuation of the same session only.
Okay, yeah, we'll complete the format.
Yes, correct. The only thing is actually the payment details. Right now, the demo session is completed. That's the only thing.
Sure.
Okay.
And Monday to Friday will be the class. No weekends.
Yes, not weekends. Only Monday to Friday. Every day, night 9 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.